How to verify Bitpanda account. Here's how to verify your Bitpanda account. Firstly, go to Bitpanda website or launch the mobile app. Use your email and password or create a new account. Tap your profile icon and select Verify Now. Select your country of residence and tap Continue. Fill in your full legal name, birth date, and residential address. Enter your phone number and input the SMS code you receive. Choose your passport, national ID, or driver's license. Pick a language for the live or recorded video verification process. You'll be redirected to Bitpanda's partner. Hold up your ID clearly and follow any on-screen instructions. Verification usually takes a few minutes. You'll be notified by email. Once verified, you can start buying crypto, stocks, ETFs, and metals instantly on Bitpanda. Thanks for watching.